Good morning, students. Today, let us see an innovative pedagogical approach. Guess the phase from the phrase. I am Dr. A.K. Jaitanvi, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, RMD Engineering College. My dear third year CSC A section students, let us proceed. Let's play. Guess the phase from the phrase. Let us start. Students, are you ready?
Yes,
My dear students, are you ready? Right? The various rules are a phrase depicting the output related statement of each compiler phase will be given. Supporting image will also be given to identify it. Players should identify the phase and explain its functionality. This is the rules and regulations to be followed. Okay, students, are you ready now? Let us start the puzzle. Right? Now, this is the screen which says you that it has a token stream and output as token stream, right? Input is a character stream, output is a token stream. Students, can you say, Mr. Pawan Kumar, can you say what is the phase of the compiler? Which phase it is?
Scanner.
Scanner, very good. So scanning is the first phase of the compiler where we get the character and we get the tokens as the output. Okay. The second one is the tree representation. Student, can you identify what is this phase of the compiler?
ICG.
Right. This is the intermediate code generation where here we are supposed to find the parser. That is the second phase of the compiler where we are going to check the syntax analyzer. And then in the third phase, we are going to find the intermediate code. Right. Now, after drawing this syntax tree, right, we are going to find the intermediate code. Let us go to the next one. Students, can you identify what is this phase of compiler? What is this related to?
TAC.
Right, this is 3 address code, right? So after you construct the syntax tree, after you identify all the syntaxes are correct, we are going to find the 3 address code where we have operand 1, operator, operand 2, and the resultant operand. Since we have 3 operands, we call it as 3 address code, as these 3 operands will be stored in 3 address location. Shall we move on to the next slide? Yes. What is this phase related to? Can you identify?
Code generation.
Yes. So this is the last phase of the compiler where we generate the code. Depending on the assembler, you will be having the code generated and the various register allocation will be done accordingly. Yes. Now let us come to the final conclusion of this session, right? Where we are going to check the various phases of the compiler. So we are having 2 parts, front end and back end. Front end is machine independent, back end is machine dependent, right? So lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation will represent the front end. The code optimization and the target code will be your back end. So before you generate the target code, we'll optimize the code. As a main objective of our phase of compiler is to find the optimized code. My dear students, thanks a lot for playing this pedagogical approach. Thank you.